All right, so what's going on, guys? We're out here. We are in Pine Island trying to do some fishing today. Current temperature is about like 60 something degrees. Just working some baits. Water temp is still pretty cold out here. It's 59 degrees right now, and I'm basically, it's low tide, so I'm working a big deep hole we have here with surrounding grass flats. The fish seem to be congregated in here. Basically working a little swim bait, real slow on the bottom, catching a few trout mixed in reds. We'll see what we can catch. So I'll basically show you the little pattern I got going on here. It's quarter ounce jig head with a little paddle tail swim bait. Making a long cast way out there, letting it sink to the bottom, giving it a couple little twitches, and just reeling it back real slow. Fish on. Just like that, you get hammered. It's a big trout. Oh yeah. Working the bait really slow this time of year really seems to work out here. The fish don't move that fast in this cold water, so. Oh yeah, look at this guy. Nice decent sized trout, winter trout here. These fish are freezing right now. Get a quick release in there. All right, get out there again and see if we can catch another one. I'm rigged up with 15-pound test Power Pro line on just a 25-pound fluorocarbon leader. Just creeping the bait really slow against the bottom. There we go, fish on. Hammered it that time too. It's a fun way to get out here and do some fishing when the temperatures are really cold. Not really ideal. It's a much smaller one. So what's going on, guys? We're out here. The trout bite got really slow, so we have come to some docks and we're fishing for some sheepshead. Basically just using a little small jig head on top of a shrimp. We come down over here, I'll show you guys what's going on. Pull a nice little decent sized shrimp out there, and basically all I'm doing is hooking it right by the head, coming out through, just like that. Active tail, and pitching them right on the docks. So we'll come over here and we'll see what we can catch. Up to the dock here. I'm gonna try to pitch them right near the piling and let it sink to the bottom. Just like that. Let it sink to the bottom. Make sure you don't get too close to spook them.